Another great etude by Joseph and Trott for double stops and improving intonation, and of course the double stops technique with your right arm. I played it slightly on the detached side, sort of like hooked bowing, but you don't have to. You can make it a little bit more detached or somewhat detached. So that's pretty up to you. The point is, double stops, they need to be of highest quality you can deliver, hopefully better than me. And that's basically it. I hope you guys are enjoying this little book, and I hope to see you in the next video. This would be a great time to smash the subscribe button. Thank you very much.